Blma 250 tons 6 meter heavy-duty CNC press brake. The torsion bar CNC press brake is cost-effective and can meet the bending requirements of most workpieces. TP10S with 4+1 axis, easy bending. Using multi-V die for different thickness, economic and convenient. Precision fast clamping device. Mode change is convenient and fast, reduce work intensity, improve production efficiency. Auxiliary pre-bending support material. Provide auxiliary guarantee for your processing efficiency and bending accuracy. Bench deflection compensation for higher accuracy and stability. Accurate and stable back gauge device. After tempering treatment, long-term use without deformation. Mechanical servo drive system, ball screw drive, high dynamic performance, high precision, good energy saving effect, fast speed, and high efficiency. The torsion sink principle governs the vertical movement of the ram. Top brand motor and pump ensuring stable power output. Let's check the bending effect together.